Hello, this is Chef Jackie Angpo. Today, we're going to make one pot penne and cheese. In your pot, melt Arla butter. Add your garlic and onion. Saute for 1 minute. Add your Armando penne, 1 pack, and your stock. Cover. Once it's cooked, you can add your choice of Arla cheeses. I have Havarti, Arla cream cheese, and Arla cheddar. And your one-pot macaroni and cheese is ready. Add more cheese on top. Para sa mga summer play dates at mga iniimbitang barkada, i-ready na to.